Hi guys, Jeanine here. I have something fun, fast, and good today. Everything in the house for Tata Casa is good. Everything's calm for right now. We're happy. I'm not going to talk about it. Okay, let's make these are grilled cheese roll-ups. Okay, I may not have the ideal bread for it because we like sourdough bread here. And I think I did a test sample, and it doesn't roll out as far as I think it could or should. In any event, you pick the bread you want. Everybody has a favorite, and this will work. First thing you do, let me get my butter prepped here. It's just simple, like as if you would make any grilled cheese. But the difference is you're going to make them fun and rolled up. They're kid friendly. The kids love them. I'm a big kid at heart. I love them. I can't wait to try this with a bowl of tomato soup or any soup, or just as grilled cheese snacks. Watch till you see this is fantastic. And I had remembered it. I saw it on the internet a few years ago. I don't know which it was, and or a commercial. It was very quick. It was a little commercial, and the girl just she cut the bread, she took the edges off, and she rolled it out. It's that simple. Here's the bread. Took all the crust off. Like I said, this is a thick sourdough. And here's the rolling pin, a little pastry rolling pin, and we're going to roll the bread. Okay, we're going to roll the bread like that. Okay. Now the trick is, I did one short way and I'm going to try to do one long way now. We'll see if it works out. Meaning the two directions you could roll it to. It should be like a little wider if you want to go this way, because you want to make sure you get a down seam. Then you take regular Kraft cheese slices and you place them on the bread like so. I think this one needs a little less right there. And you roll the cheese and the bread into a little roll-up. And I'm going to show you. And then we're going to butter the pan. Okay, and you press it a little bit. Let's get some butter in the pan, and I'll show you. I'll do one more. I want to make sure that that's hot enough. Okay, I'll take another slice. Whew, what a week, right? Everybody's been so wonderful and kind. Like I said, we're doing good here. Vin's going to his cardiologist today to touch base after that episode, and I'm sure we're going to get on the right track. She'll help us. But thank you, everyone, for caring and commenting and sharing. Really appreciate that. You have butter in the pan. Now, here's what your goal is. See? I rolled it up. Okay? Use whatever bread you want. Now, you see the seam? You want to put it in the butter seam side down. Okay, let's roll another one quick. And then you just fry them and watch them like you would any old grilled cheese. Okay? It's really just a different technique and style here. You know I love techniques because they change things from boring to fun, old to new, boring to interesting. I know I haven't made a grilled cheese for myself in quite a while. But now when I thought of it, I said, hey, let me do something fun today and uplifting for me and anybody else who wants a cheer up food snack. Right? That's what we'll call this. A cheer up food snack. Alrighty. Who doesn't love grilled cheese? Alright, we'll put another one in here. Put another piece like that. It's like a half slice and then a quarter. You'll see what you have to fill up. Let me show you if I can. See what I'm doing? I'm doing a slice and a half. And then I'm rolling long ways. And this could be a little bit higher because, crazy girl stuff don't leave us alone here. And you roll it. Roll it tight like you would any other little pizza dough. Don't be afraid of it, because I noticed the first one I did off camera, I tried to do a sample and the seam wasn't sticking, and it won't stick perfectly. Just make sure you put that side down so that butter can maybe seal the bread. Okay, and then you just grill like any other grilled cheese. This is hysterical. I've never done this in a long I don't think I've ever done this. I've seen it several times. That's the thing. I've seen it over and over, but have never tried it. I got my tiny spatula. Let me get a fork. I might have to maneuver and do a little something so I don't burn them. And I also tried a different butter. I suggest you use regular butter for this. You don't want, I tried plant-based and it seemed a little different. I didn't really like it. I'm using regular butter here, as you would any grilled cheese. Okay. And just keep an eye on them. Like I said, like any grilled cheese, they're going to require attention. I'm only going to do 2 on camera for you guys. That's enough time to get the gist of it. Vinny's in the shower. I'll make him more when he comes out. It's really just to show you something fun and fast that you may like. And if you have kiddies, they'd love it. They'd love it. A bowl of tomato soup and a roll of grilled cheese. They're fun. They're like fun finger foods. Okay, that's still grilling. Let's see this. It's big enough to turn. Okay. Alrighty. And don't worry if they're not perfect. If the seam comes a little bit open. Yeah, I can't stress that stuff. You shouldn't either. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm going to get a plate. I'm going to take one out and show you because it's that fast. That's simple. No need to go on and on. And I know how you guys love fast stuff. Fast videos, fast food, fun food. The first one I put in is ready to come out, so we'll start with that one. I got a little seam opening over here, but that's no worries. It's still good. Okay. Put that there. Okay. I'm going to show you the full thing before I cut it. The full. Look at that. Okay. Grilled cheese roll-up. How fun is that? Now let's cut her open and taste it. Before I burn my mouth. I do not need to burn my mouth today. Okay. The other one needs another second. The seam opens a little bit. The cheese, push it back together. It's a grilled cheese roll-up. It's not surgery. Okay. Put that one there. Number 2, I'm going to move the pan because he's not quite ready to come out here and eat. And I need somebody ready to eat. Okay. It's a little hot. Now, you just cut it. Now imagine if I had a nice big bowl of tomato soup here. How cool would that be? And here is your little grilled cheese roll-up. Okay. They're a little small. I think I can eat like 10 of these. Look at that. Melted cheese. Oh, God, they're good. Seriously. Crunchy, buttery. The crust not in your way. It feels different because it's not shaped in the sandwich. For some reason, it tastes fun. Another success for me, I think. I enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. Grilled cheese roll-ups with soup, with snacks, just fun for the kiddies and all the big kiddies like me. Hope you try it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you subscribe to my channel and watch more.